This is a 2005 Lincoln Navigator. I want to take this plate out of here, and in order to take this out, I need to disassemble this whole knob. So I tried to find videos on YouTube, couldn't find any. So in order to figure out, I broke mine, but now I know how it is. So we have to start from here. We have to pull this piece out, this ring. So once you take this out, pull it out, and this piece is gonna come out like this, boom. And then there's a spring over here. So take the spring out, put it aside. Then there is two screws. This is a little dark here, right there. There are two screws right there, Phillips. Remove that, and once you take this out, remove that, and this thing just slides the whole thing. Don't try to open the leather like I tried, and it broke everything, and glue, and now I had to fix that. See, it broke over there. So it's very simple, but there's nobody. So then you pull this out, and that's it.